Materials required: small sized bottle, multicolored crochet thread, adhesive, scissors. First, take a small, clean packaged water bottle and apply adhesive at different points alternatively on the whole bottle. Cover it using multicolored crochet thread beginning from the neck, and slowly you can apply more adhesive as you proceed. Wind the thread downwards, covering the whole bottle from top to bottom. Now apply some more adhesive to paste the loose end of the thread. In the end, cover the mouth of the bottle and paste the open end of the thread. This way, your decorative water bottle is ready. You can also give variation to your bottles by using multicolored or different kinds of threads.